Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine two columns into one. So a perfect example is combining first and last name. So we're going to combine the first and last name column. So we'll start off by making column C full name. All right, so here in C2, we're going to use a formula. We're going to use equals concat open parentheses. Now we're going to select column A2, and then we're going to hit comma. Now we need to include a space or else it's just going to squish everything together. So we're going to do quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma, and then after that, let's click column B2. All right, and then we'll close the parentheses and hit enter. And now we have a full name in the proper format. So let's click here on the cell and go to the bottom right hand corner until you see the black plus sign, double click, and now all our records are updated and we have the proper formatting for the full name. All right, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe and have a great day.